Hey, going to a quick review on Banquet Chicken Nuggets. This is a 32-ounce bag or 2-pound bag of them. Bought them up at Save Up or this afternoon. I think it was $3.49, $3.99, $3.49, something like that about for a bag. 2-pound bag. Get 20% more food sauce. So it's made with 100% natural chicken, no preservatives, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no added hormones. You get 10 servings per bag. 5 nuggets is a serving. 220 calories. 11 grams fat. 2.5 saturated fat. 4.5 polyunsaturated fat. Sorry about the sniffles, I'm trying to get a cold. 4 monosaturated fat, 35 cholesterol, 540 milligram, sodium, total carbs 18, dietary fiber 2, total sugars 1, includes 1 added sugar, protein 12, 6% of your iron, and 4% of your potassium. Okay, good. I'm not going to sit here and try to count all these that's in there. This is what they look like you know, just stick them in the oven or stick them in the oven or microwave. They're pretty easy to fix. All you gotta do is preheat your oven 400 degrees and bake them for about 10 minutes. Or if you want to microwave them, it says microwave on high for 55 minutes. But they're not bad. They're pretty good. Something easy to fix. I was hungry earlier and really went to the store earlier, was hungry and didn't really feel like cooking anything. I'd grab something quick I can throw in the microwave. I mean, not the microwave, something quick I can throw in the oven. Wouldn't take long to cook. It's made with 100% natural chicken. And made in the USA. Like I said, they're pretty good. Great little snacks, or like I was when I went to the store earlier and you're hungry and want to come home, throw something in the oven or microwave real quick to eat these. Pretty good thing to use. Got a pretty good little taste to them and everything to it. This is the Banquet Chicken Nuggets, 2-pound bag. You should be able to find it in most of the food stores and most of the grocery stores. Like I said, I got it at Save A Lot earlier. And I think I paid maybe $3.49, $3.99, something like that.